Once upon a time, there was a young engineer named Soichiro Honda who had a passion for creating innovative machines. In the 1960s, he set his sights on designing a car that would revolutionize the automotive industry. His vision was to create a car that was sporty, efficient, and affordable. Honda's team worked tirelessly to develop the first prototype of what would eventually become the Honda Civic. The engineers focused on reducing weight, improving aerodynamics, and optimizing the engine performance. The result was a car that was nimble and fun to drive, while also being fuel-efficient and affordable. Over the years, Honda continued to innovate and refine its cars, adding new features and technologies to improve their performance and safety. One of the most notable innovations was the introduction of the VTEC engine in the early 1990s. This technology allowed the engine to operate at different levels of power depending on the speed and demand, resulting in improved efficiency and performance. But Honda's evolution didn't stop there. In the early 2000s, the company introduced the Acura NSX, a sports car that was both beautiful and powerful. It boasted a lightweight aluminum body, a mid-mounted engine, and advanced suspension technology that made it one of the best-handling cars of its time. Today, Honda continues to push the boundaries of automotive engineering with its line of hybrid and electric vehicles. The Honda Clarity Plug-in Hybrid offers up to 47 miles of all-electric range, while the Honda Accord Hybrid boasts a combined fuel economy rating of up to 48 mpg. Through decades of innovation and hard work, Honda has cemented its place as a leader in the automotive industry. And as the world continues to evolve, one thing is certain: Honda will continue to innovate and adapt to meet the needs of drivers around the globe.